back to your childhood, going back to the time when you were kids. You can choose what age you were. Remember how you used to play on the street? Or that special ice cream that you loved? Or that sweet? Sweet dreams. And the next time you're gonna stand up, you're not gonna be this kid anymore. How your body would be as a monster? How would you be moving? The monsters, they always have a music in their head. Even that you are a monster, you can dance. And if you have a music on your head, you should dance that music. And we are lucky because tonight there's a party for monsters. So we all go to the club. There's going to be a party for monsters, so we start going to the club.
Check it out now.
Monster party!
Slovenian monster.
What did you put in that soup?
Strange thing. Good. So why do you think that it was what you said? That it was fun, it was free, it was happy? Why?
Nobody judges us.
Nobody judges? Yeah.
Safe environment.
Safe environment.